Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to solve problem based on implicit function. So to solve the problem based on implicit function, so you should know the two important terms related to that. So the first one is implicit function and the second is explicit function. So first we'll talk about explicit function. Now whatever we had studied till now, it was completely related to the explicit function. So what is basically explicit function? An explicit function is one which is given in terms of independent variable. So in the previous video we have considered y is equal to, all the terms should be in terms of x. So if you remember, the standard equation was y is equal to f of x. Am I right? So in this case, as the definition says that an explicit function is one which is given in terms of independent variable. What is the meaning of that? Y represent the dependent variable and right hand side x represent the independent variable. If the given equation is in this format, y is equal to f of x, where y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. So you can easily take the derivatives of that particular, that is y, with respect to x. So that function is called as explicit function. So you need to remember, whatever we had studied till now, it was related to explicit function. So let's consider another example to understand this function. Y is equal to x cube plus root x plus log x. If you observe carefully, on right hand side there is only x term. So this function is called as explicit function. Coming to the second important function, that is implicit function. So what is basically implicit function? So let's consider the example or definition. Implicit functions are usually given in terms of both dependent as well as independent variable. You have to remember the standard formula related to the implicit function. If the given equation is in this format, r of x comma y is equal to 0, this is the function, real value function, and if that value is equal to 0, simply you need to identify it is implicit function. So to understand this concept, let's consider one example. I have written two examples here. The first one is, if you observe carefully, on left hand side part, it is a combination of x and y. So as per the definition of implicit functions, what is implicit function? Are usually given in terms of both dependent as well as independent variable, and which should be equal to 0. So here, how we are going to take the derivatives of that particular function, we'll study in next video. Okay, so let's consider the second example. If you observe carefully, on right hand side 4 constant term is there. What we can do, we can take that constant term on left hand side. So this equation become xy plus y cube minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. So for implicit function, you have to remember this formula. The function of x comma y should be equal to 0. So I hope you have understood what is the difference between explicit function and implicit function. In next video, we'll solve problem based on implicit function. So keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Please do like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.